Can't believe my girlfriend is so freaking lazy. I don't understand. She won't make me dinner. She won't wash my clothes. She won't even kiss me. I don't know why. And she won't even take care of her sons, her daughters. What's wrong? Oh. Yeah. I forgot. She's a dog. So what? Huh? You ain't gonna tell me you're gonna fall in love with the dog either, huh? Yeah. I'm just kidding. So what are you gonna have for dinner, huh? Huh, wife? Hmm? Come on, wake up. I'm hungry. I'm not playing around. Seriously. I am dying. I am dying. Please, just cook dinner for me. And you can go back to sleep. Okay? See? Whoa, you mad. Whoa. I didn't know you were in a bad mood. Come here. Come here. Come here, puppy. Hmm? You gonna cook dinner for me? Hmm? You need to feed your children. Isn't that why we got married? Huh? So you can feed your children, huh? You're not supposed to be the working guy? Hmm? Are you supposed to cook? Yeah? Oh. Here, sit right here. I want you to sit right here and think about all those things that I've been telling you. Okay? Because I can't go on like this anymore. You know? I can't. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, wife. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Yeah. Sana sana colita de rana. Okay. Say hi to your YouTube fans. Hi. Pinche pendejo. Ugh.